Today, we are going to show you how to edit the navigation bar in your Shopify store. The navigation bar helps customers easily browse your products and pages. Customizing it properly can improve how easy your store is to use. Let's walk through it together on your Shopify dashboard. To get started, click on Online Store. Once you're in your online store, click on Edit Theme. In the Edit Theme section, this is your navigation bar. From here, you can edit the menus, color schemes, and top-level size, as well as the sub-menu sizes. Just type in your changes. You can also change the font case here. Adjust everything to match your preferences. You can also add your logo directly in the navigation bar. All of these options are fully customizable. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save, and your navigation bar will be updated. That is how we edit the navigation bar in your Shopify store. A clear, well-structured menu makes it easier for customers to find what they need.